found some interesting different kinds of candy. I already ripped some of it open.
Marked down from Halloween.
This one's interesting. There's different flavors. It's like a limited thing. It's got peach mango, blueberry burst, strawberry kiwi, pineapple coconut, tropical freeze, or dragon fruit, berry lemonade, and lemon lime. And then we got Pez. Different little characters of Pez. Like little thingies. We're going to open those up for you guys. And then we got this weird bag. It's supposed to be different types of gifts that are candy. So it's supposed to be like hyperallergic.
Allergy free is basically what it is.
We're just curious to see what's in the bag. It's a big bag.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what it is.
Yeah, neither one of us has ever seen it before, so this should be interesting for both of us.
I'm already blind because I don't have my glasses on. So pick one of the little packages and we're going to open it. Some of them, yeah. Just pretend like you're because I got excited and opened some of them.
Oh, look! Look at the little bat.
So it's like,
the little bat.
here's Spider.
Isn't it cute? Just put it up there.
This has got grape candy.
Oh, you got a little owl.
Ooh, look at them.
What?
Like a little package.
Look, the little owl.
What do I have now? Oh, it's Spider. Little Spider do.
Little spider do.
Another grape one. It tells you how to load them. I already had one yesterday, and they only hold about 5.
There's a ghosty.
Ooh. Apparently, the cat is making noises. And it comes with strawberry.
Hey, look, there's a pumpkin.
Yeah, pumpkin.
There's a pumpkin. Show the pumpkin.
La 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 la. Because it's strawberry, raspberry, grape, and lemon, I think. Different flavors.
Oh, look, this one's got a kitty cat. Look, there's a kitty cat.
I know what this one is. Let's see what this one is. I know it's not quite as exciting because you can still see the pictures, but I'm not looking at them. Oh, a little pumpkin. Look at the little pumpkin's got a little face.
Okay, I think that's it.
We have cherry candy.
We have these ones already.
So it's basically every single.
There's orange too.
Yeah, it's like every single flavor. Did you get the owl?
Yeah.
Woohoo.
Look at the ones that are up there going around.
Yeah, kind of got.
I got the kitty cat.
But yeah, they're all different little ones. They're so cute. A spider. A bat. Oh, there's a spider again. Owl. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. A ghosty. Anyway. Anyways, there's a bunch of them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, dokie.
What else do we have in this bag?
Oh, I think there's something yummy.
All kinds of yummy things. What flavor is this? Do you want to just tackle the same one?
Sure.
This one is
berry lemonade.
Yep. Berry lemonade. Look at it's purple.
That's pretty good.
Tastes like berry anyway.
Are we gonna waste these?
No, we're putting it back in the thingy.
And they'll be okay after that?
Yeah. We'll still eat them.
I guess they have like a wax inside. I was afraid it would stick to the paper, but
They're waxy. This one is Tropical Freeze. I think it's a little...
Here, set it up by the TV so it doesn't get mixed in with these.
That one's really good. It's got powerful. Yeah, a little EMSR or whatever it's called, ESR, whatever it is when they open up the little... Peach mango.
Sorry. Tommy hasn't had much candy.
Yeah, Tommy's not really thinking he's supposed to have candy.
Hey, my diabetes has been under control for at least a month.
I don't know if you guys have ever seen a dragon fruit. They're really kind of weird looking. But this one, they've actually got like a dragon on the thing as a picture. It's kind of weird.
I like the peach mango.
I'm not much for coconut,
Especially
especially fake coconut. I like the real stuff.
Well,
So I don't know.
I'm actually allergic to coconut.
But this is fake coconut, so
I know, but I don't like the flavor because of it.
I'm not really just like pina coladas. I don't really
Okay.
like them.
Dragon fruit's pretty good.
But there's a lot of coconut.
Is it?
A lot of fake coconut. That's not really good. Oh, you already sucked on that one.
Ew.
Yeah, it's gross. It's like a really bad pina colada.
Here, put that.
If you don't like pina coladas, you're not going to like that one.
Nope.
Kamikaze! Alright, well, ooh, mystery flavor. I always like the mystery flavor ones.
They were always my favorite ones.
You do realize mystery flavors like what the leftover of all of the flavors together are at the very end. Like whatever.
That's why they never tell you what it is. They're never like, mystery flavor was.
Very berry. Oh, it's blue. It's blue, but they're not always blue.
No, they're not. Hey, I didn't get to try the mystery flavor.
Whoops. No. These are the other ones? I always like strawberry kiwi stuff, so I'm sure I like this one.
I'm just trying to find the different flavors here.
I love strawberry kiwi. That's like my favorite flavor ever.
I can't really place what that mystery flavor is.
It's all of them together. That's what they always are. It tastes mostly pineapple or something. Blueberry burst.
I think that might be it.
Oh, that one's broken.
Oh, I like the strawberry kiwi. Here, strawberry kiwi.
I was gonna see dragon fruit, berry lemonade. We had that one. We had peach mango. Yeah, I think that's it.
Ooh, I like that one. Blueberry.
Pretty good, except for the pineapple coconut.
Now see, I trick-or-treated our local convenience store, and there was a pineapple one in here somewhere. But it wasn't in the bag.
Basic pineapple.
Oh, hey, this one's lemon lime.
That
You can
was
take that one.
probably not even part of this either.
I don't know. Because this is the only one I got from somewhere else.
Well, that one's shaped weird. Well, that's not even a dum-dum. This one's a dum-dum.
This isn't a dum-dum? Oh. Well, ignore the pineapple one then.
What is that? It's like a knockoff Dum Dum. It even says you could turn your wrappers in. Just like they used to for the... It says Dum Dum. Oh, never mind. It says Dum Dum. It's shaped weird.
Oh, I like the lemon lime one. Maybe it's an older version of it. Well, I think that's all we got, because I don't see any different flavors in
We
here.
got Haribo that has different shapes, but they're not really... They don't taste any different.
They're not Halloween-y, they're just little packets of different
They
flavors.
just taste different. What I'm looking forward to...
Yes, me too. See what we got here. Just pull something out.
What in the world is that? Oh, it's got a little pin on it. I'm definitely putting that on my name tag.
Oh. What is it? Like a plushy keychain thing?
Oh. It's a flag.
Ooh.
One nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
I thought they took Under God out.
Depending on where you're at.
Oh.
But as, like, I believe all religions have the same God, so I don't mind saying under God.
Okay. What's next?
Oh.
Construct straw.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Let's see what's in it.
that looks like fun.
Let's see what's in it. And I've got skizzers.
Skizzers! Please don't cut yourself.
Cut me.
Yeah, you don't want to end up with a scar like mine. 5 stitches.
Like, I don't know if you would just buy this for your kids, because a lot of this stuff, like, you can't really just be like, go down the street and you're like, oh. That's a lot of, like, straws.
Basically, build your own crazy straw.
Yeah. Got a little destruction. Build any ship. Caution, extreme sipping fun.
Ooh.
Includes 27 pieces. You want to play with it?
Why not?
You said that looks like fun. Oh, what in the world? That's a weird looking cupcake.
Don't you just push the button and it lights up or something?
It's not doing anything. It's supposed to... I think it's supposed to shoot off.
Oh.
But...
There we go. You had to pop it once.
That cupcake's very strange. Look at how ugly that cupcake is. Is it a pig? Aha, it is a pig.
Whoa. It's a pen with a distraction on the end.
Magic spring motion ring. Turns from a ring to a spring. Moves up and down your arm.
Ooh.
This is weird. When it's flat like a ring, just put the ring on your arm and watch it pop open. Then move your arm up and down until it's gliding smoothly. Try rolling it down one arm and onto your other arm, or press it to a friend. You could even make it go up and down other stuff around the house, like a broom handle or a whip. To store your magic spring motion ring, hold the top and bottom in your palm and gently press down and twist counterclockwise.
Ooh.
That seems complicated. Woo! That's kind of cool.
You scared me.
That's really kind of fun. It's kind of like a slinky, you guys.
Oh, is kind of fun looking.
Whee. Except for it pulls your little hairs, just so you know. That hurts. Ooh, fun bands.
Oh, I remember those.
The little bracelets.
Alright, babe.
There's. Oh my.
Shall we test it?
Sure. All kinds of little shapes, you guys. I'm not going to open them. I'll probably give them
Alright,
my,
check this out.
my niece Sky or something.
Oh, that's not going to work because that's not enough in there. Give me my 7-Up.
Oh, cute.
Oh, those are little pins.
That is cute.
Alright, check it out.
You should have probably washed them first.
I doubt it's going to be that big of a deal. I mean, we're really just using it the one time anyway, so it doesn't matter. We could give them to our niece and nephews. I'm sure they would enjoy
Oh,
that.
yeah, they would love that. I have to be nice, though. I love pins.
So do I.
This is to make
Damn it.
friendship bracelets. And it shows you like instructions. They're backwards.
Oh yeah, like those ones we used to make when we were kids.
Remove tool. I don't
Oh.
see the tool in here. Oh no.
That's kind of cool. I saw you doing it, but I didn't know what it felt like.
Oh, there's more. More little pins. I love it.
Her name tag is gonna be all decked out.
Oh, there's more. More little bracelet maker.
This is cool.
And this is more shaped rubber bands. This has got different sports type stuff in it.
Wow.
Yep, look at those.
Wow.
It's got more sports stuff, like football and stuff.
Different colored
Another
friendship bracelets. You take the different colors and make yourself a pretty cool looking one.
Look at how cute he is.
Is that one of those things that makes noise?
Got the happy song.
Yeah. That is so cool. I want to keep that one.
Well, duh. I'm not gonna get that one up either. What is this?
Is that duct tape?
Yeah, mini designer duct tape.
Nice. I've been wanting some of that.
That is awesome. Look at it.
It's rainbowy. I like it.
Yes, and you know we are all about the bracelet.
Of course.
Ooh, look at that.
Hermione, what are you messing with, weird
Another
cat?
set of duct tape. Oh, here's one you're gonna like.
Really? Camo! Oh, it's pink, but that's okay. Still camo. Yeah.
Oh, look at it.
It's a monkey notepad.
That is so cute. It's like the notepad you used to get in the little things from school.
The ones that you
Little
usually
pegs.
draw on.
Yeah.
Draw yourself a little picture. Those are stickers. I love stickers.
Ooh, 80 mini stickers. Ooh, there's 2 packs.
Oh,
80 plus 80 is what?
160.
Oh, they're like Lisa Frank stickers.
Oh, cool. I'm all about stickers.
That'll be fun to play with.
Yeah.
Well,
Decorate my new Xbox One.
that's true. She got an early Christmas present, you guys.
From her. I also got Fallout 4 and Diablo.
They're both the same ones.
Cool.
They do look a lot like Lisa Franksters.
A lot.
Another pen with a weird
Cupcake.
cupcake. I don't understand. These are the ugliest cupcakes known to man. Oh, I put it on crooked. I'm not straight, so I can't put anything on straight.
Smart ass.
That's it. There's no more. This should be our theme song.
Woohoo! Happy day!
That's not creepy at all.
No, not even a little.
Well, anyways, I hope you guys had a nice Halloween. Oh, then we've got our little
Good morning.
Yeah.
Give Mama kisses.
What should we use this on? I think I should duct tape Tommy's mouth shut.
Aww. I got kisses. I got kisses from my pretty girl.
Poor Hermione's tortured. I choke away on stuff. Anyways. I'm gonna die.
I'm tempted to go back and get more so we can see if there's any different colored duct tapes in there.
So yeah, we just random things that we found. I thought we'd share.
Those are at Safeway, by the way, just so you know. Like,
So I'm not sure how this would work in a
what are you doing?
box for, I don't know. Like, I don't see how this would really work. It says use a tool. There's no tool. It shows like a little crochet hook thing, but
Insert band into end of connector. It's in there. The connector's in there. Right there. It's in there. See, it's these little tiny hoopy things.
I'll open it. It reseals itself.
We can make one with
there's
different
these
colors.
ones, but
No, there's a little connector that's supposed to be in here.
I don't see it in here. Oh, there isn't these.
Why would they give it to you if there's no connector?
I don't know.
It actually says, put band with connector on tool.
Yeah.
That makes you, oh, they're a bunch of dicks. The back literally says, loop tools sold separately. We're going to give you a package that doesn't come with the little loop tool you need to actually use and make the thing.
And you get this is just a basic crochet hook, basically.
True.
Like, I don't even know where you would get this proper tool for this.
True, true, true.
Unless you use like a, like the what you use for the latch key,
Hook and latch?
yeah. That's basically what it looks like too.
Yeah. My mom used to do hook and latch.
It's like a crochet hook.
I'm sure we could find something like that. I'm sure you can find something like that at Hobby Lobby. Although, if you're LGBTQ friendly, I wouldn't go to Hobby Lobby unless you don't have any other choice.
I like Hobby Lobby.
Or Joann's. You can go to Joann's. They're not against us.
Hobby Lobby is like the only place we have around here besides Joann's, but Joann's doesn't have everything. Anywho, I think I'm gonna go duct tape Tommy's mouth shut and eat candy.
And she's lying. She won't be able to get me held down long enough. She's over there talking shit under her breath, but I can tell.
Do you want tiger print or leopard print?
I'm gonna kick you.
Anyways, hope you guys had a good Halloween. We got another video in the process. It's gonna take like a month to make, so it's gonna be fun to see. Anyways, I got a few other ones we've recorded too that I'm behind on. We've been sick. My cyst finally broke and I've been paid. So, anyways, like, subscribe, and share.
And send good vibes our way. We're hoping to get pregnant.
And there was a comment. I was going to. Are you able to look at my YouTube? Because I said whoever comments, I was going to do a shout out. And I don't want to, like, not do it.
Which one? You know which one it is. Why don't you find it? Give them a shout out. Shout it out. Shout it out. You don't even need to do that.
Where is it?
In my subscriptions.
Oh, that's going to take years.
No. I don't have that many subscriptions.
It would take me years. I'm subscribed to a lot of people. And if you subscribe to me, I will subscribe to you. Just so you know.
They're in alphabetical order, freakazoid. You passed it. It's under L.
Little bits of everything. Whatever. Okay.
What'd you click on? Oh.
It's from Big Al. And he says that was a daylight savings video that we did, and the Mandela, like, we returned, it ended up being like a Mandela video. And it says daylight savings time in Australia, but we call it daylight savings time. So they call it daylight saving time as well. Definitely not an ME for me. So it's not a Mandela effect for him. Or her. I'm guessing it's a he because it's Big Al.
Correct us if we're wrong.
But, thank you guys for the comments. I was trying to see if he even has videos. He doesn't have videos, but I said that if you guys commented, I would do a shout out. So
shout out to Big Al. Thanks for the comment.
Thanks for the comment. Anybody else? Any suggestions on how we can make the videos better?
Yes, please, because we're down for ideas.
We're trying to do more of these. We found some more pumpkin spice stuff too. So if you guys want to see us try some more pumpkin stuff.
Yeah, that's weird. After the fact, we found like 8 different more pumpkin spice things.
Apparently, the place to go for pumpkin spice stuff is
Safeway. Who would have thought?
So I figured Walmart being huge.
No, they didn't have shit. Safeway's got like cookies and tea,
lots of stuff.
Cakeys.
We're doing a see what happens in a jar video is coming out soon. So anyways, like, subscribe and share. I will be putting this up in like 5 minutes. So.